Welcome to MIGHTYOX Trading. Happy Monday evening. I hope everyone's having a great day. Market's trying to head up after quite a big fall. Coming down most of the afternoon. We dipped down in the morning, came back up, got all the way back up to 29,118, and it fell hard to 28,700. Now it's trying to rise back up. Rise up. Just trying to get higher here, but seems to be struggling. There's a drop. There was a purple candle there. Didn't finish below the 9, so I wasn't really enamored with it. We'll see what it does. It's kind of stalled here now. Not yet. Working on it. Hey, JJR. I'm doing all right. How are you? Quite a while. The fact that I haven't blown them in the is a victory in itself. And I'm just working to find that consistency, working to continue refining my strategy, and I feel like I'm close. The ATR is not even 8 right now. Hopefully that gets a boost after Japan opens here in about 20 minutes. Yeah, they're all 50Ks. I have a top step that's above the buffer. Um, I have uh, give me I have a TPT funded that I like accidentally took a big trade on Friday. That's now $1,000 away from the buffer, and I have several apexes that are above the starting balance. Lately, I've been using 1 to 2 micros. Every now and then, I'll go up to 3. I mean, how many of my accounts are green and how many are red, like based on the starting balance? Give me a second on that. And because of how things are set up, you're going to see something here there on the screen. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 7, 9 of the fundeds are green. So that means 36, 27 are red. Some are, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more within a few $100 of that degree. Uh, I do, but I've been hanging. I've been not doing it as much lately. I'm going to start doing that again. I've been trying to get really comfortable with my strat. Not only taking the right reversals because I love my reversals, but starting to take the with trend trades. So I've been trying to just focus on a couple of accounts at a time. Like today, I traded my brokerage account. So as for funded next, I'm actually currently in negotiation with them to become a partner. For traders, they're fine. I'm not quite sure I like their partnership information. Partnership partnership deal. I really believe this wants to come down to the 9 on the 5, but I could be wrong. That's about 17 points down. Yeah, I mean, I believe that once I get it, and obviously, I don't think all of a sudden, I'm going to hit this spot and never lose a trade again or never lose an account again. But I think once I get it, it's going to be like a watershed where it's going to be regular payouts. And like I said, I'll probably still blow an account here and there, or whatever. But I think it's going to be, you know, once I finally get it, I'll feel comfortable sizing up a little bit more, things like that. A little pop. Actually, that's a weird pop there. It actually came down and then up. It did hit that 9 and then right back up. There was something that caused that. See, I trade evals totally different than I trade the funded. Evals, I almost always use minis instead of micros. So, I mean, I know for Apex, I had a total of 29 evals. No, that's not right. I apologize. No, I had a total of. Hold on, give me a minute. Just where my phone is so I can do this. Stupid. Gosh darn. Two-factor identification. allocation. I don't need to do number one. Okay, so I've had 153 Apex evals, and I've had 29 funded accounts. So it's about, say, 1 in 5. And I've had 29 funded accounts, which means I've blown 9. About 20 currently. I mean, I agree, JJR, but I do look at someone like Ace, who has like 1 or 2 red days a month. I mean, right now, honestly, I'm not really buying that many evals anymore. Now, One Up had $10 evals a couple weeks ago, so I bought 3 of them. And I recently bought an earn a trade eval. That's the only eval I'm trading right now. Well, actually, the earn a trade, so I'm only having 1-ups right now. People like Ace and John DeFore who only have like a couple red days a month, that's what I'm at. But even John still blows an account every now and then. And Ace, still hasn't passed, a evaluation. So he tells us whether he's taken. He only takes 1 or 2 trades a day, and he almost always tells us what the trades are. He'll tell us if he stops out, or if he gets 2 points, or if he gets 2 points in a run. He's pretty transparent. Got down to 800 and bounced. 799. There we go. There's 15 points. Oh, whoosh. I took the other one off there. Now it should fall hard. But so I ended up getting 15 points on one and 20 points on the other. A total of 35 points. So we're up $70. I mean, and yeah, I don't know his P and L because he doesn't tell me how many contracts he trades. He says that's between him and the IRS. But I know it'll be red or green. So I had confidence in that one. If you look at my chart here on the left-hand side is my NT chart. And MIGHTYOX all the way up there. Anyway, I'll fix that later. And the reason I had confidence in that for the short, if we go to the 5-minute chart. I'm watching that as well. And I had a purple candle on the 5 in a non-shaded area. And you can see that way to like 28 points. I should have taken that as well. All for another account. That's still dropping. Wow. Kinda, yeah. The brown areas that you see shaded are just when a candle touches the 9. The blue is when the price moves further away from the moving average than the ATR. So I'm looking for, when it gets extreme away from the 9 uh, for reversals. But I'm also looking at areas that end up not shaded because that often leads to a reversal. So if you look here, let's just look here. Now here, this was just going down, so that was just continuation. But here we had a non-shaded area with a bell. This blue candle was a reversal. Here we had non-shaded areas. This purple candle worked. So these are the kinds of things I'm looking for reversal. And then of course my blues and my purple candles are just for with trend trades. Purple's below the 9, blues above. Hey, Daniel. Hold on. Been having mic problems today. Sound any better? That popped back up. All right. I just had it setting weird. Forgot to fix it after it took a dive earlier. How you doing tonight, Crypticon? Did you get your target today? I saw it went up to, I think you said 110, and I saw it went up there. Did you get that? Did you hold that long? How's things been going, Daniel? Glad to hear that, Crypt. I understand that. I understand that. Now, see, I didn't take that blue candle. It was in a non-shaded thing area. Blue candle. We were extreme on the RSI. Everything said I should take it, and I didn't. So I just lost out on potential 20 points there. That's the other thing I gotta get better at is taking all my setups. Good luck with that. Right. We've been a pain all day long. There goes your long there, JJR. ATR has popped back up to almost 13. Nope. Came back down. Ooh, whoosh. Sorry about that loud ding ding. Down we come. Down to 749. Pan sells off. You can see again, I got the red candle in the non-shaded area. I didn't really like it. It was too close to the 9, but the long upper wick on this other candle, the next one, told me to go short. Would have worked well. Take a stop there, JJ. Trying to come back up. and it fails. Down to 725 right now. Down 48 points on this 5-minute candle as it tries to pop. Wait, when did Blue? I don't think Blue Sky. Ow! I just banged my elbow. Ow! 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 I don't think Blue Sky ever sold the company, did they? I'm saying the owner is an idiot, but they have done much better than I expected, and now they're being promoted by Patrick Whelan. So yeah, they're fine. I can't promote them because their owner threatened to sick lawyers on me. So that's I that's not an option for me. Not unless I missed something, which is possible. I'm pretty sure it's still owned by Cowboy. Candle trying to form here. I'm interested. I think finish is above the 9. It's not going to finish above the 9. Part of me says take it. Part of me says don't. I'm not. Falling back toward going towards 700. Try, yeah. I did get my finger on the mouse in time. I thought about taking that, and it worked. It was far enough away from the 9 that I had a feeling it was going to pop up. It does come right back down though. And right back up. So it gave me an opportunity to get in again, and I didn't take it. I'm trying to figure out what it wants to do here. Sorry, man. That sucks, JJR. Hey, Jake. How bad did it hurt the account, JJR? There we go. There's a pop. Sorry to hear that. Hey, Hassan. Look at this nice pop back up to 760. Rejects the 9 EMA on the 5. Comes back down hard. Awesome, Jake. Okay, cool. Let me know how that goes. I have no idea what their process is. I just know they have some funky rules uh, once you pass them. Play that funky music, right? If this finishes but above the 9, I'm interested. Well, popped above the 9. Let's try it. If it holds for the next 2 seconds.
Order filled.
Long. hits the 20 EMA. Damn it. Yeah, look how often that happens. I just cut through it. But not getting to my target, unfortunately. That was 3 points of my target. There we go. Ooh, nice. I'm a personal, Hassan. I'm going to close it out there because it hit the 9 on the 5 and it's kind of backing away. So 2 contracts for 15 points and then 1 for 22. We are up $104 tonight. See if this holds here. It's giving me a bell. It's playing around 9 on the 5. Oh, wow. It's still going. Wow, back to 800. So completely regained what it lost about a half an hour ago. Hey, John. Doing good. I'm up $100 on my brokerage account, and the Phillies are leading 4-0. What over the Dodgers? Can't complain. Maybe I shouldn't have said anything. Phillies are now leading 4-1, and Dodgers have gotten 3 hits in a row, or 2 hits in a row. Okay, never mind. That was just trying to get comfortable. Like again, son. I'm gonna get back to copying, but seems like whenever I copy, I make more mistakes. Sanchez. Oh, Sanchez hasn't been himself the last 2 starts before the All Star break, and then he sucked in the All Star game. So it's been a little bit of a worry. He has thrown 70 pitches in 4 innings. Now, granted, a Trey Turner short error caused him to throw 5 extra pitches in the first inning. Yeah, coffee trading does offer its full, different mental issues. Does not look like it. Remember, I'm like 2.5 hours away. The rain's coming. I just look. Well, it's right now. It's mainly staying north, but it looks like it shouldn't be too long of a rain delay because it looks like the big stuff's going to go south of Chicago. Crypticon, are you still here? Is it raining where you're at? Crypticon's like right outside Chicago. What do you think is going to happen, John? Do you think the Tigers are going to go for it, or do you think they're going to try and trade Skubal? I guess the second question to that is, what do you think they should do either way? I think I might have already asked you this, but now it's later in the season. I've never bet on sports. You know, I think baseball would be the hardest to bet on because even the worst teams win 50 to 60 games a year and usually, beat the good teams once or twice a season, etc. Tigers have a potential good new little nucleus of hitters. McGonigal and Riley Green, and I know they got Max Clark coming. Oh yeah, I knew there was. I knew there was another name I was forgetting. You know, I didn't know used to know much about other teams' prospects until I started doing the whole baseball card thing and ripping Bowman, and then I started knowing more about other teams' prospects.
Order filled.
I'm just short. Ox does not have a good feeling about this.
Order filled.
I tried like 5 times to get lower and couldn't. So I took about a 3 point loss there, 3.5 point loss. But as you can see, I'm good. It's good I got out. Well, if Scooble goes to the Dodgers, I would definitely demand Joe DePaula back from the Dodgers. It's amazing how the Dodgers can, constantly lose draft picks from overspending and yet still develop decent players. Phillies are terrible at developing players. Absolutely terrible. And then when we do actually hit good names, they end up getting hurt. Andrew Painter hasn't been the same since his Tommy John. Aiden Miller is out with some sort of back injury that sounds like it could be chronic. Yeah, I mean, John, this problem's been in the Phillies for the last, well, since the core came up. They did a great job in the early 2000s with Utley and Howard and Rollins and Hamels and all those guys. But since that core came up, I mean, there's been a couple. Reese Hoskins, probably the best, but I mean, it just. Hey, Jay. Still rising. Good call by Hassan, who says it's going to continue to go up.
Connection lost.
We definitely don't suck, Hassan. Oh, nice work, John. Tell your algo I said nice work too. Excuse my yawn.
Order filled.
Trying to short here off that purple. Touches a 9.
Order filled.
Bounced off the 9. Okay. Trying to push up again. Happy I got out and didn't try and ride through that. I only took a 2-tick stop there.
Order filled.
Trying to short again, but I got in late. I think I got in late. Not horrible. Nice, John. Nice. Oh, nope. This one's going to stop me. Get back my gains. Oh, the dumb move there. I jumped too quickly.
Stop filled.
Sanchez now at 89 pitches through 5. He probably only has one more inning left in him. Scary because it's a Phillies bullpen. He's trying to get 9 outs. Shall we try again? It's not the it's going to Kansas now. Shaky, John. I'll put it that way. Duran, of course, is awesome. Kirkering is decent, but we lost Brad Keller now until 2028. And the rest of the pen is shaky. Alvarado's started to finally find his groove, but yeah, the rest of the pen. Yeah. Dingwater is a great player. Another one of those young nucleus of that team. It's heading up toward 900 as soon as it gets there. Yeah, about 40-ish miles, I would say, John. Big candle down here.
Order filled.
Yeah. I'm here for another 45 minutes and about ready to lose another trade. Damn. All of a sudden, I'm losing everything. I'm going to give back everything tonight, it looks like, which is fine. Yeah, now it's much closer to where Taylor Swift grew up. I mean, it's really possible that at some point in time, when Taylor Swift was like, any between 0 and 12 years old, that I could have seen her at Walmart, or her and her family.
Stop
Yep,
filled.
stopped out, now fairly green. Damn it, I gave everything back. I hate that. Urgh, frustrating. I was right about getting up toward 900. I hate when I'm up over 100 and I give it all back. I hate that. We all know it's coming down here. It's thrown me double bells on the 5. It's one of those times I should just take it and put no stop in.
Order filled.
Ah, it turned around on me. It turned around on me. I'm not mad at you, Hassan. I almost called you Hitman. I always fight the trend, Hassan. Now I'm doing something I should never do. Moving my stop. I'm gonna continue moving it up until I either lose all my $2,500 or win this trade. Because I know it's coming down. I'm gonna put my stop at 29,000 exactly. I mean, no, 28,900. Sorry, 29,000 would be big. That's 37 points. So that'll be about $110. And it looks like it's gonna hit. Damn it! Come on back down for me, baby. There we go. Come on. So I'll admit this was a tilt trade. After blowing all the money, I decided to blow more money. I'm running a portable. It's doing a pretty good job, Jake. $10 before the next market opens. I use OBS. Anyway, I was wrong. This is about a $200 loss if I take the full stop. 220. Normally, I would already be out of this trade. This is a bad trade. I should not be doing this. I never moved my stop. This was a tilt revenge trade. I 100% admit that. I'm gonna end up fighting it. I mean, I have my stop at 29,000 at this point. I mean, I'm sorry, 28,900. So that's my max loss. That's gonna be about a $220 loss when it hits. No, this is my brokerage account. Ninja Trader. Yeah, GFF's good. So it's back to where my original stop was. Why, Jake? I'm in Illinois, originally from Pennsylvania. Ah, could have got out for break even. Oh, here it comes back. Come on.
Order
All
filled.
right, I closed that for a positive trade. It was only 2 points, 2.5 points, but I'll take it. Wow. Broke all my rules. And I think it's going to still keep coming down, so I probably shouldn't have got out, but what I was wrong about, Hassan, was I think it is going to keep going. What I was wrong about was my entry. That was I went for this purple candle here, and I should have got out for the 10-point loss after that first candle, green candle, and then gotten back in. If we go to a 5-minute chart, we see this beautiful candle right here that would have been an entry candle. I could have got in at 881 instead of the entry I had at like 854 and driven that down for 30 points. So it was the fact that I didn't take the 10-point loss, stayed in, let it go almost 30 points in heat, and then came back for a 3-point win was my problem. So if I had taken the 10-point loss and then got the 30 points, then I would have been net 20 and good. So breaking my rules was terrible. And you can see it is still going, but after all that stress, I just wanted out of the trade, so I didn't keep it. I entered that trade with 3 micros. I've been doing up to 3. The entry, even on the 1, should have been that purple candle there. Either one of those purple candles there that wasn't in shading would have been the greatest entry ever. There's a bounce back off the 9 on the 5. Look at this nice bounce. Oh, wow, right back up. Trying to get to 900. And right back down. How confusing. Yeah, I mean, how you guys realize how many Green Day jokes I want to make right now concerning the band? There's 900. I should have taken the bounce. Sanchez is out of the game in the sixth. Dodgers have scored another run. JJR, how you doing with that new eval? Nice, 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 nice.
Order filled.
Just the brokerage. Actually, I'm trading with. I'm entered in a trade on the take. Easy for me to say. A take profit trader funded right now. A short bounced off the 9 though. Yep, it's gonna stop me out.
Stop filled.
We have about 15 minutes left.
Order filled.
Gave me 15. Now doesn't want to give me any more. So looking for the 9 on the 5, which is sitting at about 72. I have my target at 75. Just almost hit it. 77. Bouncing on 80. There we
Target
go.
filled.
Target hit. So I got 20 and 15, 35 points. You can see the P&L there that the TPT is now also green on the 9th. Yeah, we bounced right back up. The problem with grand moves on TPT though is it's an intraday drawdown on the pro accounts, so you got to go for short, quick targets until you're above that damn buffer.
Order filled.
Short again. Entry is 891. First target 876. I might make that my second target too. I haven't decided yet. That bounced. Got really close. I'm not really close. Got down to 880. Both targets up there. Let's see what happens. Looks like it's bouncing on me. Doesn't seem to want to go low. I should have got out when it did seem to want to go lower. It's going to bounce on me and knock me out. Maybe not. It's gotten all choppy here in the last few minutes.
Order filled.
Took it off for 5 points. And I'm glad I got out because it's kind of bounced there. It seems confused now. Alrighty, guys, we reached the end of our time together tonight. It was a decently fun night. I hope everyone has a great rest of your night, and we will be back tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for some more great trading action. Hope everyone has a great evening. Advisors. Very nice, JJR. Great job.